Be showing you how I put my makeup on. I've had a couple of requests and they've asked me like, well, if your hands don't work, how are you able to do your makeup? Well, I'm not no makeup artist, but you know, I'm gonna be showing you how I do it. Okay, so my hands, they don't work, right? They're like paralyzed, and the way I do things is because I use my wrist. So I use my wrist to grab things. Okay, so for example, because if I was to use just my fingers, I'm holding my wrist because I'm trying to avoid compensation. There's no way I can, pick this up. So I use tendonitis. I'm compensating my muscles that are in my wrist, and I use it to grab things. And that's why people be like, "Well, your hands don't work. What do you mean?" I'm like, I mean, they don't function how they're supposed to, but I cheat. I grab things like that. Use things that are pretty accessible, but this I use my face. It's like super super good, and I don't tighten it all the way. And really, guys, practice makes perfect. The more you do things, the more your body gets used to it. Okay, like, so I can't open my hand. I stopped doing Botox, one because they were like $2,000 every 3 months, and then it's just, I'm just gonna let my body be. If I can't give handshakes and if I can't give high fives, so be it, right? So I use my thumb. This is how I put on, and I don't use a squeezable crema because that's just too much work. And here I just dip my finger, and then this is how I do it. So this, and I just go like that. Make sure you wash your hands first because, you know. And honestly, guys, everything I do, I use my teeth with. And I'm sure your dentist is gonna be like, "Don't be doing that. It's not good for your teeth." But your dentist is not a quad, so he don't know nothing. Okay. This is how I do it. Voila. Then I just do this. Pretty much use my thumb for everything. Or if whatever your finger doesn't work, you can just kind of do this. Pretty much use my teeth again. And then I just dab 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 dab. Dab 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 dab. Dab 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 dab. This is a workout still. It used to take me like, I want to say like 3 hours to do my makeup. Still takes me a long time, but I've gotten better at it because practice makes perfect. My face is super dry, so I don't like to put a lot of foundation around my nose because I'm really dry, like my phone, like everything's so dry. Don't let this slide. I put this hand right here, and I just put it right there, and then I do this. The more you do something, the better you get at it. Sometimes, you know, sometimes it doesn't, like my walking. But I mean, some things do, man, and I feel like this is one of the things that, you learn how to do different tricks, and you get better at it. A lot of glue by doing this, but this is the only way that I can do it, so screw it, right? I feel that this mirror is really accessible. All you have to do is dab, dab, dab. So when I'm putting my eyelash, I kind of put it up, so then my face is like under it in a way. and then I just like lay it on. Want to make sure that you squeeze them together, okay? Make them look like one. For anybody that's practicing on how to put eyelashes on, I definitely recommend to get these from Amazon. They're like $2, and the day that you're not gonna like go out anywhere, or you know, the day that you're just gonna go to the store, I think you should totally buy these $2 ones. They're easy to put on, and they're $2, so you can practice with these. And if they don't come off right, you can just take them off. If you're like starting to do makeup again after your injury, I definitely recommend to get these. I'll put the link under it so you can practice. And then in the future, you can buy yourself like $7 ones, $8 ones, you know. So just whatever, right? But if you're starting like to put eyelashes on again, like me, I don't think I'll recommend you to get like the expensive ones until you know, have gotten the hang of how to put eyelashes on with limited hand function. You know, you feel me? I feel like this sponge is really easy for you to blend in. It is like super dry, guys. So I've found out that this is my new miracle. Okay, so white chocolate, that's the thing I use, and it makes my under eye not cakey. Okay, I try not to put it around my nose because I am super dry, and it's like super accessible to put on. Okay, this is what I use for, you know, powder my skin, and I've noticed that this is like super powdery and it makes a mess. So this is what I do. You're probably like, oh, that's dirty, but I clean my stuff, so. Kind of sucks when I do this, so I have to do this so it can blend really good. Como que no alcanza if I do this. Like over here feels right, but if I do this, it just doesn't feel right. Soap and stuff like this, I don't know. I don't really think about it anymore because I know how to adjust my hands. But people usually open it like this. We'll flip it down and then just like dig in with your nail like this, and then it's open. It's open, and then blah blah. Here we go. That's pretty much how I do my makeup. Nothing really exciting. This is the last step. This is like kind of hard to do. I'm still working on, you know, I'm still working on trying to figure this out. But this is how I do it, okay? So I leave this here, and then I just press it down. Or you could put this right here. Yeah, but it's okay, because I'm just showing how to do this. Hey, Esme. What do you think about my idea? Like, oh, okay. Okay, that didn't go well. Okay. Can you get it? is that recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so then you're gonna get water here, but it's okay, okay? Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have better ideas than me, just let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram. So yeah, stay updated, and I'll be posting a new video next week, most likely. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See ya. Don't wanna be ya.